Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Islamic Learning Corner.
Lesson 13 is about dua for drinking milk.
But before starting, please subscribe our channel and click on the icon below to get the latest updates. And yes, don't forget to like, comment and share.
Sunnah dua for drinking milk.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Allahumma barik lana fihi wazidna min. Again, Allahumma barik lana fihi wazidna min. Allahumma barik lana fihi wazidna min. O Allah, give us abundance in this and grant us more than this. या इलाही हमारे लिए इसमें बरकत दे और हमें इससे ज़्यादा इनायत फरमा.
Jazakallah. See you in the next lesson.